The ear cushions on Bose headphones provide comfort and a good acoustic seal to keep your headphones sounding their best. They can be replaced if they wear down over time. You can order replacement cushions at our website or by contacting us directly. Depending on the headphones you have, there are a few different ways to replace cushions. If the ear cushions wrap around the edge of the ear cup, grab the top edge of the cushion, then pull it up and away from the ear cup to remove it. The skirt on the back of the cushion holds it in place. To attach a new cushion, start at the top or bottom of the ear cup and stretch an edge of the skirt over the ear cup into the slot behind the ear cup flange. Work your way around until the entire skirt is in place. If your ear cushion appears inset on the ear cup, grab the edge of the ear cushion, pull it toward the center of the ear cup, and then away to remove it. These tabs inside the ear cup hold the cushion in place. To attach a new cushion, slide the mounting flange on the back of the cushion under these tabs. Be sure it snaps into place under each tab. This forms a good acoustic seal, and for noise-canceling headphones, improves noise reduction. Work your way around the ear cup. As you get farther along, it can help to pull the ear cushion toward the center of the ear cup, then press down to slide it under the tabs. If your ear cushions appear flush with the ear cup, grab the edge of the cushion and pull it away from the ear cup to remove it. These slots in the ear cup hold the cushion in place. To attach a new cushion, align the tabs on the back of the cushion with the slots on the ear cup. Then press the cushion into the ear cup so it snaps into place. For more help with your headphones, visit our website or contact us directly.